We are now in amusement park in Helsinki. And you know, they always say that you cannot eat or drink in a roller coaster, but today I'm gonna prove them wrong. Ah, this is easy. Oh my god. It's turning soon upside down, but still I can do this. I can easily do this. Oh my god. Which way we're going? This way? Oh, this way? Oh, I'm squeezing too hard, my shoulder pad. In the last minute, on this very short period of time of riding, I ate all my popcorn and drank all my soda pop. But is it even easier to eat chips, cheese balls, because it's in the back? Alright, first the uphill, I know the drill. Then what? Oh yeah, the upside down part. Now I tried to think my... Oh wow! I lost the cup! I know what. Eating in a roller coaster is very easy. I mean, my honest opinion, yeah, you can eat as much as you want and stay fit. Stay fit. I would like to ask you out.
No.
To go on a date.
No.
Or else I will hit your boyfriend with my pickaxe.
Have a seat.
Yes, move over. It's kind of hard to sit when you're made out of pixels.